Today, I'm going to be guiding you through how to download Digi application on your PC. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Digi on your PC is easy. First, make sure that you've downloaded an Android emulator on your PC in order to access the app. If you've not, you can download the BlueStacks 10 Android emulator and launch it open. Once you open your BlueStacks app player, go and click on the App Center button. If you are using the service for the first time, you'll need to sign in using your Google account. Go ahead and enter your Google account password and email, and you'll be able to open up the App Center. Now, go to the search box at the top and type in Digi. Press enter on your keyboard and you'll be able to see the Digi application displayed on the screen. Click the install button and wait for the app to be downloaded. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet in order to download the app quicker. Soon after the installation process is completed, tap the open button to launch open Digi for your PC. That is how you can easily download Digi on PC with the help of an Android emulator. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.